Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can turn on Count Unread messages on Telegram. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Telegram app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on Settings. Then tap on Notifications and Sounds. Next, you can see the option of Count Unread messages. Turn on it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can turn on Count Unread messages on Telegram. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.